Load test. Actually, when you read Magi class, na siya biceps load 1 and 2.
Ay, nalangan na, miss.
So, please read for the details.
Position, supine.
So, patient's position, supine.
Supine.
Okay? But here, standing lang ha. And then the arm is elevated to 90 degrees. Externally rotate with the elbow in 90 degrees flexion. With the forearm supinated. Okay? Murag panatang mga bayan.
Ana.
Okay?
Biceps load.
And then the patient is asked to flex the elbow while resisting the elbow flexion. Okay? So, balatang makabayan, okay? And then, i-resist ninyo. So, complaints of more pain in the resisted elbow flexion regardless of the degree of pain. So, for example, abducted 90-90, okay? Then, mo ipa-flex ang patient, at the same time, you apply a resistance. Okay, so imulubugngan ang elbow flexion sa patient. Sige, try to do elbow flexion. Elbow flexion. Sige, kung painful na yung biceps, nasuya sa Nadella. Okay, so muna siya.